Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners along with my co-founder Mike Arnold. It is September 10th and this is a Path Chat educational update on cryptocurrencies covering IOTA. We've got a little bit of a twist in our normal price action video today on IOTA. Mike's going to point out how you can find a pattern near another significant level of support or resistance, and that pattern now becomes higher probability. It doesn't mean you increase the risk on that particular trade. It just means that particular trade is slightly higher in the probability that it's going to succeed. So before I get too far into it, Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you, Bob. IOTA US dollar. We're going to be talking about showing what we're looking for when we're watching for reversal patterns at very key levels. Daily chart. You can see that we have an orange line and a black line here. This is a Gann cluster, both 0.625 Gann cluster areas. You can see how it's dipped below that multiple times. Also found support from this trend line and keeps bouncing back up above it. Now it is going against the rotation zone. So we're only looking for more scalpy style of trades. We're not looking to establish huge positions in here. Just want to point out what a really nice Gann cluster looks like along with this buying pressure from the trend line. Also, you can see the upper end of the rotation zone lining up with this about 1.125 Gann level. That's important. And also this trend line for when we look at the shorter term charts. So what are we watching for? We see buying pressure coming in here. We're going to switch down to our 4-hour chart and we're going to be watching for a reversal pattern. This pattern is not triggered yet. This is a potential double bottom. It's still a potential because it has not traded above the peak. So this does not have to trigger. It does not mean we buy now. We look to buy if we get a key close above the peak. And then we'd have our stop reduction, or some people like to take profits at the 0.5 level. Then we have the first profit level, which this would definitely be a 2 target because we're going against the rotation zone, and we have the flat area coming in right about where this first target is, about 0.6593. Second target, which is just in front of that 0.125 level, which is the top of the rotation zone on the daily chart. So the second target would be 0.6851. Again, this is not something we're looking to hold on to. Will IOTA go back to its highs? No, this is with some key targets because we're trading against the rotation zone and we're waiting for it to trigger at based off of price action dipping into these key areas and potentially reversing. Like it reversed here, but there was not a valid double bottom pattern here, but this time there is. So that's what we're watching for in IOTA. We also covered a similar concept in a completed trade in Litecoin. So if you're interested in this concept, even if you don't trade Litecoin, jump over and take a look at that video also so you can see another example. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mikey, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, including a video we did on correlations in cryptocurrencies this afternoon. And we'll talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers.